Tim at Jones Team Colorado, EXP Realty. Hey, real quick, just wanted to jump on this. Wanted to share with you that a couple of things. Mortgage applications from buyers jump 11%, which is signaling that I can't talk, signaling the spring housing market may not be a total loss. Okay, so we can be a little more positive in that, signaling that the spring market is rebounding and rebounding pretty quickly. So, two key points: applications to purchase a home rose for the fourth straight week. And this is nationally, jumping a decisive 11%. And again, this source is telling us that the gain came even though the 30-year fixed rate rose from a whopping 3.4%, a historical low, to a whopping 3.43%. Listen, folks, if you can get a 3.43% mortgage, you ought to be doing the happy dance. That is still a great low rate. Here, let's click on this real quick, and then I'll jump out of this for you. Here's the local market, and here are showings. So these are daily showings from the 7 metro counties. And of course, we see this spike on Saturday. We ourselves have seen these kind of return to almost normal pre-COVID numbers with our own listings. So we're very excited, very encouraged. So this yellow line represents, just to kind of maintain things, the green line represents where we'd have to be with showings to return to pre-COVID. So you can see that we're very, very close to returning to that pre-COVID level with just our showings. And then we'll have some data here in another week to see how these turn into actual contracts. So pretty excited. Couple of data points that we just wanted to share with you and thought it would be helpful, encouraging if you're thinking about buying a home, selling a home, and that kind of thing. Seeing some really good news now that things are opening up, that we can actually get in there and show you homes in person, of course, with all the proper safety precautions. We hope, again, that you're staying safe, well, healthy. If we can help or answer any specific questions for you, of course, reach out to me or Sandy at jonesteamcolorado.com, Tim at jonesteamcolorado.com. Call or text us 720-314-8462. As always, we truly appreciate you guys, tuning in, and hope this information is useful and helpful to you. Thanks so much. Have a great rest of your day, and we will catch you again soon.